Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace Nissan Pathfinder side mirror. Start by parking safely and disconnecting the battery to avoid shorts. Remove the interior trim carefully using a trim tool and set clips aside. Label electrical connectors before unplugging them to make reconnection easy. Keep bolts organized and inspect the wiring for damage. Test the new mirror's adjuster and heating before reassembling the trim panel. Begin by lowering the window for easier access and prying the interior trim panel off carefully. Locate the 3 mounting bolts and the electrical connector behind the panel. Unplug the connector and support the mirror with one hand while removing the bolts to avoid damage. Lift the mirror straight off the door and set it on a soft cloth. Inspect the mounting surface for corrosion or bent studs and clean before installing the new mirror. Hold the new mirror aligned with the studs and hand thread the mounting bolts to ensure proper fit. Plug in the electrical connector and reconnect the battery briefly to test adjuster movement and heating function before final tightening. If everything works, torque the bolts evenly and reinstall the interior trim panel until clips snap securely. Check mirror alignment and adjust as needed, confirming there are no rattle noises when closing the door and driving slowly for a
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.